Hi friends, my name is Anna Helman. Today I have a quick tip for you to fold and score tons of card bases in a snap. Let's take a look at how. I needed to fold quite a few white card bases and I wanted to show you how I do this quickly. Here's how. I've already folded 8 of these. Here I have 2 more and we'll finish up. So I actually don't even score my card bases. I just line up the corners quickly. If you do prefer to score them, that is great. You can do that. But the point here is just to get them folded. They're not creased very well. So get them all folded, stack them up on top of each other, and just pinch with your fingers. Run your fingers along all of them. Make sure they are lined up on top. This only works well if they're directly on top of each other. Pinch and pull. And look how flat these are laying already. Now, if you really want to make them lay flat, grab that bone folder like you would do normally and run this along the top. And now they lay perfectly flat, saves so much time. If you found this tip helpful, give it a thumbs up below. That helps other crafters find it. Let me know what quick tips you want to see in the future. Make sure you're subscribed. I hope you have a blessed day, and I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.